Little angel.
Yay! Choo-choo! Who is ready to build a train?
Yay! Shape, shape, shape. All around. Shape, shape, shape. Look what I found. Yes! Squares, squares here. And squares, squares there. I see squares, squares everywhere.
Well done, kids! You found the squares!
Shape, shape, shape. All around. Shape, shape, shape. Look what I found. Triangles here and triangles there. I see triangles everywhere.
Oh, well done, kids! You found the triangles!
Shape, shape, shape. All around. Shape, shape, shape. Look what I found. Circles are here. Circles are there. I see circles everywhere.
You found the circles! Great work!
Yeah! Shape, shape, shape. All around. Oh! Shape, shape, shape. Look what I found. Rectangles here and rectangles there. I see rectangles everywhere.
That's it! Rectangles!
Shape, shape, shape. All around. Shape, shape. Look what I found. Stars, stars here. And stars, stars there. I see stars, stars everywhere.
Well done, kids! You found the stars!
Yay!
Yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. Yo ho ho, it's time to go. Come set sail with me. Yo ho ho, potty time, yo ho ho. Yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. We've got to look like a pirate, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to look like a pirate, 'cause we are. We've got to look like a pirate, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to look like a pirate, 'cause we are. Ahoy! Yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. Yo ho ho, it's time to go. Come set sail with me. Yo ho ho, potty time, yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. We've got to look for the treasure, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to look for the treasure near and far. Arr! We've got to look for the treasure, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to look for the treasure near and far. Arr! Yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. Yo ho ho, it's time to go. Come set sail with me. Yo ho ho, potty time, yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. We've got to raise our pirate flag, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to raise our pirate flag and push. We've got to raise our pirate flag, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to raise our pirate flag, and you're done. fun! Great job, Captain Potty! Yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. Yo ho ho, it's time to go. Come set sail with me. Yo ho ho, potty time, yo ho ho, it's time to go potty. We've got to wash our pirate hands, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to wash our pirate hands, 'cause we are. We've got to wash our pirate hands, 'cause we're pirates. We've got to wash our pirate hands, 'cause we are.
Peekaboo! I see you, Mommy! Riding around all over the town, just my Mommy and me. Driving the car, she takes us far. Fun, fun, wee.
Look, there's the playground and ice cream shop. Let's go there after school.
Mommy, I love you. Will you pick me up soon? When I'm hungry, Mommy makes me fun and tasty food. Veggies, beans, and yummy soup. She helps
Hold on tight.
Yeah!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Who wants some ice cream?
I do. The family on the bus gets an ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. The family on the bus gets an ice cream cone and rides around the town. Is this where movies are made?
Yes, Jill.
Look, is that baby shark? Baby shark likes to drink his milk, drink his milk, drink his milk. Baby shark likes to drink his milk and swim around the water.
Whoa!
Watch out! The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the
Bye.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Beep, beep, coming through.
Hey.
See the balloons go zoom, 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 zoom. See the balloons go zoom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up, 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 up. The people on the bus go up, 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 up through the sky. It's okay. Shh. There are people everywhere. They wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. The people everywhere. They wave goodbye all through the town. See you later. This goes here, and then I'm finished.
Good job doing your chores, honey. These coins are for you.
Yeah! Coins are big and coins are small. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins in all. Big, big, small, small. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins in all. What do we do with these? Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy bank. Piggy bank. Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy, piggy bank. Yeah!
1 lemonade.
Yeah! 1 coin.
Wow!
Coins are different colors too. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins for you. They are so, so shiny too. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins for you.
What do we do with these? Put
Kids, we have something for you.
Here you go, some coins for you.
We can save coins easily. Save, save, saving you and me. Saving coins is easy. See? Saving coins, you and me. That's what we do with these. Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy bank. Piggy bank. Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy, piggy bank.
Look, Baby John.
Coins!
Coins, coins on the floor. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Save and you'll have so much more. Coins, coins on the floor.
I know what to do with these. Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy bank. Piggy bank. Put it in the piggy bank. Piggy, piggy bank. Yay!
Well done, sweetie.
Yay! Yay! There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, oh, oh. There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Makes me go, achoo!
That's a sneeze. Achoo, achoo.
When we sneeze, we know what to do. Let it go.
We do, we do.
Let it go.
Okay. Oh, achoo! Yay!
That's it, honey. In there.
There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, oh, oh. There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Makes me go, achoo!
That's a sneeze. Achoo, achoo.
When we sneeze, we know what to do. Cover our face.
We do, we do.
Cover our face.
Okay, I will There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, oh, oh. There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Makes me go, achoo! That's a sneeze. Achoo, achoo.
When we sneeze, we know what to do. Clean your nose.
We do, we do.
Clean your nose.
Okay, I There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, oh, oh. There's a tickle, tickle, tickle in my nose. Makes me go, achoo!
That's a sneeze. wash our hands.
Okay, I wash you. We are all done.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. Achoo!
Here, Daddy. Let's have fun. Let's all play soccer, soccer every day. Kick, kick, kick. Throw, throw, throw. Let's have fun and score a goal.
Can you learn to use your feet?
Use your feet. Feet, feet, feet.
Can you learn to use your feet?
Playing soccer is so neat. You can do it, Baby John. No, no, no. Play with your feet. No, no, no. I can't.
Let's move on to the next skill, working as a team.
Let's have fun. Let's all play soccer, soccer every day. Kick, kick, kick. Throw, throw, throw. Let's have fun and score a goal.
Can you learn to be a team?
Be a team. Team, team, team.
Can you learn to pass the ball?
Just be careful not to fall. You can do it, Baby John. No, no, no. Play as a team. No, no, no. Too hard.
We still have one more important skill to practice. Let's learn how to score a goal.
Let's have fun. Let's all play soccer, soccer every day. Kick, kick, kick. Throw, throw, throw. Let's have fun and score a goal.
Can you learn to score a goal?
Score a goal. Goal, goal, goal.
Can you learn to score a goal?
Ready, aim, and kick the ball. You can do it, Baby John. No, no. Score a goal. No, no, no. I can't.
It's okay, Baby John. We have one more important thing to remember. Practice helps us get better.
Let's have fun. Let's all play soccer, soccer every day. Kick, kick, kick. Throw, throw, throw. Let's have fun and score a goal.
Can you practice every day?
Every day, every day.
If you practice every day,
It will be so fun to play. Do you get it, Baby John? Yes, yes, yes. You did it, Baby John. Yes, yes, yes. Let's have fun. Let's all play soccer, soccer every day. Kick, kick, kick. Throw, throw, throw. It's so fun to score a goal.
Great job, Baby John!
that was a good shot. Are you ready for a soccer game?
Yes, yes.
Catch the ball, baby!
Baby John, come slide with me. Okay. No, no. I'm a little scared. The ladder looks so high. I'm afraid to climb way up to the sky. Maybe I can help. The spiders love to climb. Be Hello little spider, do you like to climb? Can we go together? Would you like to try? We will go together up the pole so tall. We will keep on trying even if we fall. We will climb the fire pole, we will climb up high. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3, up to the sky. These monkey bars look fun, but a little scary too. Do spiders like to swing? Do you know what to do? Tell me, little spider, do you want to try? Do you want to swing on the monkey bar so high? We will go together up the bar so tall. We will keep on trying even if we fall. We will climb the bars, we will climb up high. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3, swinging side to side. The climbing frame is huge, the biggest ride of all. Yes, we must be brave and be careful not to fall. We know we can do it, we know we are strong. Let's all play together, come on baby John. Let's hear it for the spiders, let's hear it for us all. We can climb up high, together as we crawl. We can swing and we can stretch, crawling up and down. The Itsy Bitsy Spider Squad is fun to hang around.
Wow, that looks like fun, but it's time to go home. It's time for us to go home. It's time to say goodbye. You've all had so much fun playing on the rides. You've made some spider friends to help you on your way. We'll be back to play again on some other day.
Goodbye, spider friends, and thank you very much. You helped us to be brave and climb the road with us. You were here to help us, now we want to help you. We'll take you to your home now, 'cause that's what good friends do. Thank you. Bye bye, little spiders. Thanks for playing with us.
Wow! Did you hear that?
We're at the zoo. We love to be at the zoo, always learning something new. We love to be at the zoo. You can come along too. Come see all our animals. This is where they live. In the ground and in the trees. So much fun to be with. It's a crocodile! Where are you, baby John?
I love to be at the zoo. Crocodiles can swim, it's true. I love to be at the zoo. Let's learn something new. They have tails, they're really long. They use them
tallest animals. They reach the highest trees. That is lucky for giraffes because they only eat leaves.
It's an elephant!
Right here, sweetie. I love to be at the zoo. Elephants in their lagoon. They are so much heavier than you. Let's learn something new. See its trunk suck peanuts up, and its ears flop down. Their big trunks are like fountains. Look how the water sprays out. I'm getting rained on!
Hey, look at my trunk. Oh,
Oh no! That elephant is having fun. Wow!
who's ready to plant some baby trees?
Me! Let's plant trees with our tools. Dig, 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 just me and you. They'll grow big, just wait and see. With big trunks and pretty leaves. Let's plant trees in the ground. With our tools, let's all dig down. This is where all of our trees grow. Shooting up they go and go. Where did Baby John go? Peekaboo! Dig a place for our trees. Make a home to grow our trees.
They'll grow up like you and me. They'll grow up, just wait and see.
Trees are home to living things. Butterflies and bugs with wings. Dig, dig, dig and have some fun. Planting trees with everyone. Wow, you found a ladybug.
Dig, dig, dig along with me. Everyone is planting trees. Birds and squirrels make their homes in trees, way up in the pretty leaves.
Trees can also give us fruit, like apples and yummy fruit. Birds fly up into the leaves. Trees are home to birds and bees.
Oh, now it's time to place our trees. In the ground they need to be. This is where they'll grow and grow. Shooting up they go and go. Yeah!
Look, we planted all our trees. We're so proud, hooray, yippee! They are still just very small, but they will become big and tall.
Now we have to cover the bottom of the trees by putting dirt back into the holes. It's okay to get dirty. Fill the holes that we have made. Put soil in the holes we made. In the soil our trees will grow. Shooting up they go and go. Stomp, stomp, stomp on the ground. Push the soil, just push it down.
It is fun planting in the ground. Soon we'll have big trees around. Trees need water to grow. Let's give them a drink.
It's cleanup time.
Swimming in the pool. If I can do it on my own.
boat. Just keep floating on the top, like a boat on the water top. Can you float on your own?
I don't know.
I'll let you go.
Whoa, whoa,
You're floating all by yourself, Baby John.
Swimming, swimming, swimming in the pool. If I can do it on my own, that will be cool. Swimming, swimming, all day long. I can learn that swimming song.
Take a deep breath in. Hold your big breath in. Hold it to go under. Underneath the water. Can you hold your breath
I think so.
and go underwater?
Here I go. Swimming, swimming, swimming in the pool. If you do it on your own, that will be cool. Swimming, swimming, all day long. You can learn the swimming song. Move your arms around, round. Make a splashing sound, sound. Hold your breath. Kick, kick, kick. Move your arms nice and quick.
Can you swim on your own?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then off you go.
Swimming is the best. Swimming, swimming all day long. I can swim by myself and sing my swimming song.
Goodbye, kids.
Bye. Enjoy your dinner.
It's nice to be together, together, together. The more we hear you laughing, the happier we'll be. For your smiles bring such joy, and your love makes us smile. So the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Thank you, Granny and Grandma. Oh, we can work together, together, together. The more you keep on trying, the better you'll be. For your smiles bring such joy, and your love makes us smile. So the more you keep on trying, the happier we'll be.
It's easy. Breathe, raise your arms, and turn. Try it.
Oh, we can work together, together, together. The more you keep on trying, the better you'll be. For your smiles bring such joy, and your love makes us smile. So the more you keep on trying, the happier we'll be.
It's okay, Baby John. I know you can do it.
We can work together, together, together. The more you keep on trying, the better you'll be. For your smiles bring such joy, and your love makes us smile. So the more you keep on trying, the happier we'll be.
Are you hungry? Yeah!
together, together, together. When we eat together, the happier we'll be. We love to eat cookies and love to drink milk. So the more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Kids, it's bedtime.
It's nice to be together, together, together. The more we see you smiling, the happier we'll be.
And your pajamas, Baby John?
We played and laughed all day. You are ready for bedtime. So the more we get together, the happier we'll be. You are ready.
Hey, we're home.
Goodbye, kids. Bye.
Is your tummy feeling sad? Feeling sad? Is your tummy feeling sad? Feeling sad? Go, go, potty. Potty time is fun. Happy tummy, tummy, tummy,
Oh! What's the matter, Baby John? Baby John? Is there something going on? Going on?
It's my tummy. I think I have to go to the potty. No.
Don't worry, honey. Let's go together.
No potty for me, for me. No potty for me, for me.
Come with Mommy. We'll have potty fun. You can do it, Baby John. Baby John. We will take your diaper off, diaper off. We will take your diaper off, diaper off.
Baby, do it by myself. Baby, do it by myself, by myself.
Hello. Toilet paper, Baby John, Baby John. Toilet paper, Baby John, Baby John. Just the right amount, no more or less. We don't wanna make a mess, make a mess. Ah! Hey, the toilet paper.
No, do this anymore. No, like it. I am bored.
You don't need to push, you're doing fine. We will try some other time, other time. Oh! Try again. You went potty, yes you did, yes you did. Now we'll flush and close the lid, close the lid. Now there's only one thing left to do. Wash our hands, then we are through, we are through. Great job, sweetie, you went potty. Yes, come in.
Hey, buddy, you did it. Congratulations.
Did you remember to use toilet paper?
Yes, toilet paper. And did you wash your hands with soap? Yes, soap.
Soon you won't need to wear diapers. Our little Baby John is growing up.
Yay!
be neat. Yes, he can do it.
My dollhouse looks so beautiful. I set it up so pretty until my brother comes along. He makes it messy.
Oh,
It's okay, we all can play. We will help him through it. He can help give baby a bath. Yes, he can do it.
My dollhouse looks so beautiful. I keep it clean and pretty until my brother comes along. He makes it messy.
Uh-oh. It's okay, we all can play. Let's give him a broom. We can teach him how to sweep. Yes, he can do it.
My dollhouse needs to have some food. I'll go to the store until my brother comes along. Crash on the floor.
It's okay, we all can play. We can help him
brush my teeth.
Yes, yes, baby John, it's good to brush your teeth.
No, no, not me, don't want to brush my teeth.
Yes, yes, baby John, look at the baby toy. He just loves to brush his teeth. He's a big boy now.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, I want to brush my teeth. I can be a big boy now. Watch me brush my teeth.
Yes, yes, baby John, it's time to take a bath.
No, no, not me, don't want to take a bath.
Yes, yes, baby John, it's good to take a bath.
No, no, not me, don't want to take a bath.
Yes, yes, baby John, it's good to take a bath. Look here at the baby toy, he loves to take his bath.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, I want to take a bath. I can be a big boy now, and I will be clean.
Yes. Yes, yes, baby John, put your pajamas on.
No, no, not me, don't want to go to sleep.
Yes, yes, baby John, pajamas are such fun.
No, no, not me, don't want to go to sleep.
Yes, yes, baby John, pajamas are such fun. Baby toy's a dinosaur and roars at everyone.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, put my pajamas on. I can be a dinosaur and roar at everyone. Roar!
Yes, yes, baby John, it's time to go to bed.
No, no, not me, don't want to go to sleep.
Yes, yes, baby John, it's cozy in your bed.
No, no, not me, don't want to go to sleep.
Yes, yes, baby John, sleep is good for you. It helps you to grow big and strong, so baby does it too.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, I want to go to sleep. I will grow up big and strong, and baby does it too. Yes, yes, okay, Mom, it's time to read a book.
Listen to me, baby John, it's time to go to sleep.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, a book will help me sleep.
Listen to me, baby John, it's too late for a book.
Yes, yes, okay, Mom, please read us a book. A story helps us both to sleep, so baby, you can dream.
Yes, yes, baby John, a story for you both. Dinosaurs are so much fun and it will help you sleep. Once upon a time, there was a big dinosaur who liked to play with his friends.
Oh, Daddy, you are great. I want to shave like you. Oh, Daddy, I love you. I want to shave like you. Oh, Daddy, show me how to be just like you. Oh, Daddy, I love you. I want to be like you. Oh, Daddy, you're the best. I want to dress like you. Oh, Daddy, show me how to dress like you. Oh, Daddy, I can do the same things you do. Oh, Daddy, look at me. I look just like you.
Yeah!
Oh, Daddy, you are so cool. I want a car like yours. Oh, Daddy, I love you. I want a car like yours.
Phew! Aww.
Oh, Daddy, you are great. I want to drive like Oh, Daddy, you're the best. I love being with you. Oh, Daddy, I love you forever, you and I.
Oh.